Editing a PDF form on Mac is really easy to do. As you can see, I have a PDF form right here. And all you need to do to edit it is once you've actually downloaded this form to your computer, you have to download it. That's step one to editing it. You just want to double click on the form like so, and it will bring you to this page like so. Now to edit it, you can see up here we have a variety of different options. And if you want to edit this form, all you have to do is you click on the fill out form option here, where you can actually type in your name or any information that you want to on this form. And to actually save this info, you just want to click on the X up here, or you can actually change up what you're doing. Click on the mark option. Once you actually select one of these tools over here, in this case I want to choose the scribble icon, so you can make a signature or just type right using text, or you can make a text box clicking on this option over here. Now you can even change your text color and the text size and the font and where it is on the screen right here. And once you're done, all you need to do is you can click on the X, you can rotate the page or highlight words on this document super easily like so. When you click done, you click on the X icon. And how you actually view these forms as if they were on the internet and someone just downloaded or opened them, you just click on spacebar and it will show them the way that their original form is. As you can see, they just open up like this, rather than when you double click on them, opening up like this or so, when you can edit.